Hey guys, welcome back to Terry Vault Treats. Tonight we're making dinner, and if we look right here, bang, we got a whole chicken breast cut up into cubes. And here I already got some scallions, some yellow pepper, red pepper, and some orange pepper with some tomatoes, baby tomatoes. And it's gonna be a spicy hot pepper soy sauce chicken style. And we're gonna add some black pepper to spice it up more. And if you think that's spicy, we're gonna add some crushed red peppers. It's gonna give a good kick, guys. It's gonna be sweating, redness, burn, fire, tasty. And we're gonna add a little bit of pink salt. And I just sprayed this up with some olive oil in there. So first thing we're gonna do is dump this chicken right in there. Got that preheated a little bit. And after 3 minutes, bang, we're gonna add these guys right here. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 to 4 minutes right now cooking in. And as you see, our chicken breast is losing some water. Steam coming out, but that's good. So normally, most people wait till all the water burn out and then toss their stuff in. I'm gonna toss everything right now because I don't like my chicken breast too dry. I like to keep it moist. I like to keep it a little juicy. So what we're just gonna toss this in right here. It's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper inside. So I used the pure ground black pepper, guys. You could use, any ground black pepper you have. So we're making this spicy. We're gonna throw a little bit extra. Black pepper gives it a good kick. Then we got our crushed red peppers here. This is a good kick, guys. Spicy. I'm gonna toss some over there. Put some over there. Then we're gonna put back a little bit more extra. You guys see? I'm gonna even slow it down a little bit extra and keep it a low heat. All right, so we're gonna pour in some more hot pepper soy sauce. Oh my god. This is gonna give the chicken some flavor, some color, and spiciness. So this we're just gonna let this cook for another minute or two. If you want to make it a little bit more spicy, it's up to you guys. You just add a little bit more crushed pepper in it. So alright, so this is pretty much done right here, guys, as you can see. Alright guys, so if you look right here, spicy, hot, spicy, delicious soy sauce chicken breast, guys. Look at it. Give you guys up close. So you can see it's not dry, it's juicy, it's just perfect, guys. Oh my god, the smell alone, this is so delicious, guys. And if you want, it's up to you guys. You could add a little broccoli on the side, or a little mashed potato, or a little bit of brown rice, or like what I'm doing tonight here. I have a little bit of broccoli on the side, and right here, as I have some beans, some lentils, some corn. Right there, just a little bit of carbs, veggies, and my protein. So if you're looking to lose some weight, build some muscle, just overall eating healthy, this is a great dinner for you guys right here. And this is not hard, to make. It's easy, it's fast, and if you guys want to make it on your own, try it on your own, I'm clicking my description box, the link below. I will leave all the ingredients, step by step on the ingredients, so you guys can make and try your own. And if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, give a thumbs up if you like my video, and stay tuned for more healthy tips and way to lose weight, gain muscle, gain lean mass, and look good for the summer, guys. So thank you for watching. Terry Ball Trades, hot spicy soy sauce chicken breast. Bang!